If you're looking for a quick tyre inflator, then this is the one you need from CYCPLUS. Max pressure up to 100 psi, packed with a 5200 mAh battery, so you can actually charge your devices from this tyre inflator. Simple instructions to follow. Charging slots using a Type-C cable or DC. On the flashlight you get different levels to shine the beam. Now using the dial is much more easier and quicker to adjust the PSI level or bar, and there's different preset modes from bicycle, scooter, vehicles and footballs. There's vents all around to keep that airflow running while inflating. 4 bottom grips, so when the inflator is running you must keep it flat on the ground, or you can hold the handle. In this compartment you will find a charge cable and different inflator adapters. Comes with an attached air inflator hose. You can use this as a power bank to super fast charge your devices. Make sure you fully charge before use. Let's test this out on a completely flat tyre and let's see how long it takes. Check that out guys, less than 2 minutes it took to inflate a flat car tyre. That's actually the quickest inflator I've ever come across. So guys, if you're looking for the best compact tyre inflator, check out the CYCPLUS AL7 model. Drive safe guys, peace.